Useful for projection welding of deep-shaped workpieces. Block holder. Attaching special horn is required to use block holder. Block holder is suitable for projection welding of deep workpieces because no deflection occurs even under high pressurization. Using block holder, no deflection occurs at the time of welding, even under conditions that deflection occurs when using other holders. Welding quality is stable because it can be pressurized equally. Attaching a special shank enables to use cap tip. Try block holder. No deflection improves welding quality.